everyone, thank you for clicking onto this video. Viibeauts here, and today I'm going to be showing you how I do my lashes. I've actually been doing my own lashes for a couple of years now. I haven't done it for a while, so I'm just hoping that this will go well. But I'm just going to show you what I use and how I do it. I'm just going to show you the packs that I do get, the ones that I used to get and the ones that I have today. If you're a beginner, then it could take you pretty long, but in fact I was going to say here how long it's going to take me, but I don't even know because I haven't done it for probably 2017. That was probably the last time I did it. So I want to show you the ones that I use. This is actually like half done because I've had this one for so long, but these are the kind of lashes that I want to be using. This one was $1.99. This is the one that I want to be using. It's from Victoria Lashes. I've never actually used these ones. I always used to get these ones, but when I went into the shop I didn't see these. I normally get one pack of long ones, one pack of short ones. No, I get one pack of long ones and one pack of medium ones. Did just get these. They're super thick and full, so let's see how that gets. I personally don't know how these gonna look on me. I've never used this one before. Let's just hope they look good. So I'm just gonna open them up. Oh, before I do that, the glue that I'm gonna be using, I know that people do use hair glue. I don't mind using hair glue because I've been using hair glue for like people use hair glue to do strip lashes. This is basically like strip lashes, but they stay on your eyes for, it depends on how you do it, but mine, when I used to do it back in the day, it lasts for like at least a week or two. This is just the normal hair glue. It doesn't like affect your eyes or anything like that. Nothing's ever happened to me because of using hair glue. I only put literally a dot of it. So this one that I have, here is the medium. So you can see it says medium here. So it looks like this. And this one I have here is the long one. I don't know if I'm going to use the whole thing because I do want it to be pretty thick. If you prefer like short lashes, you don't want like too many like really long lashes, you don't have to get the short and long. You don't have to get the medium and long, you can just get short and medium. And these are the long ones. I'm just going to put the glue in here so you guys can see how much glue I'm putting. I need tweezers. I normally get the flat ones like this. Okay, I know I'm like really close, but I want you guys to see exactly what I'm doing. Before I start, I'm just gonna wipe my eyes. You don't want any oils on your eyes, so I'm just gonna wipe. Nothing's on here, I'm just wiping my eyes. So one of the mediums, I kind of like pull them out already. Now you see they're all pulled out. This is the first round, they're all pulled out. These are the medium ones. And I'm gonna go into the black and just dip the littlest, and I'm going to place it onto my eyes. I normally start straight right in the middle, so I'm going to just place it in the middle. Now it's best to look down, and then you just flip it on. Then while it's drying, I kind of just pull it down, push it down so it can give you that sort of effect. And I'm going to do a couple more and then I'll come back and show you.
Pull it down. I'ma set you free from the chains that be holding you back. It separate you from the tyranny that be making you slack, because we fire rock.
Normally when it gets to the end parts of the eye, like both corners, I will go in with a short, but I don't have a short right now, so I'm just going to carry on with the medium. And if you put it the wrong side or the wrong way, before it dries, just hold it down and it will mold by itself. You can kind of see it filling up, and this is just with the medium. Okay, so now that I'm done with this eye, I like the way it looks. Now I'm gonna go in with the long ones. Oh, and by the way, guys, this was just one roll. That was all of them. So now I'm gonna go in with the long. I personally can't do both eyes. I have to just do one first. So I'm gonna go in with the long ones. And now with the long ones, all you want to do is kind of go on top of the medium ones, just so that it can give like a wispy look. I kind of just go random places. Like I don't follow it up the way I did the medium. I just put it random places. And by the way, if this is too much for you guys or too dramatic, you can definitely just stop at the medium. You don't have to put all of these lashes on. But if you do like the medium sort of look, I would definitely say get one pack of short and one pack of medium, and you mix that out together. The only bad thing with this is that you sometimes see the glue, but it doesn't really matter.
I've been knocking at the door to your heart, yeah. Been knocking at the door to your heart like a goodie.
So now this is how much I've used. Just one of the lines. So now I'm gonna go on to the next line.
This is the new event, so you can move mountains. Trust in me, there's no doubting.
And that is basically it. So these are my lashes all done.
I'm not a man and I should lie. So amazing. Me and you together will never play.
So if you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe. Follow me on my social media so you know what I'm doing in a day, and also so you know what videos I'm going to put up next. I'll see you in my next video.
Give you life in abundance, 'cause it no matter where you come from.